Once you've got the hood up, you're going to come right over here. We're going to take off these two wing nuts. Lift this cover. Take a peek at your air filter. If it needs to be replaced, now's the time. We'll set that aside. Now I'm going to remove this from here. You can either take this right off or set it aside, whatever you want to do. I'm going to take it off. This area right here, you want to make sure that you don't drop anything inside. So we're going to make sure we cover that with a nice rag. Once we've done that, we'll move along. Now that we have that out of the way, grab this. Always check your connectors. Set that one aside, do the same to this one. That looks great. Get this off of here, give it a little twist, break it free, lift it up, take a peek. Awesome. I can see my mounting bolts down through here. We're going to remove both of those. Now if you look right down along the side of the coil, you're going to see a 13mm mounting bolt right there, and then on the other side you'll find another one. We're going to remove both of those so we can get off the whole housing, and then we'll take off the little bolts that are holding it to that. Now this bolt right here, you could technically leave in a couple threads, but I like to just take it completely out. It gives me more space. Nice. Now we're going to remove these bolts right here. Just double check, make sure we've got the right part. It looks great. Now we're going to use a 7mm. Your application may be different. I'm going to hold the bolt from the back side. I'm going to remove the nut here. Do the same thing on this one. I'm going to pay attention to which way these brackets go because I'm going to install them back onto the new one the same way. Just like that. Let's get those old bolts out of there. I'm going to install my new bolts, of course. That through there. This one comes through here. I'm just going to put them back through the way that I took out the old ones. Grab our new nuts. Okay, let's snug them up. Yep, that one's good. Do the same to this one. Oh yeah, that looks great. Let's get ready to install this in the vehicle. It's time to get this back on here. We remember the one with the slot goes towards the driver's side. Start and bolt those bolts, and then we'll snug them up. That one's tight. Tight. Let's get our electrical connectors back on. The black one goes on the passenger side. Slide it right down on there. You got your gray one on the driver's side. Slides right over the black one. And then, of course, don't forget your coil wire. That's going to go right here, and it goes to the distributor. Perfect. Let's get this off of there. If you look at the bottom of this, you're going to see this tube. That needs to go down along the side of the engine. There's a little shield that goes along the manifold. I'll show you that in a second. For now, let's get this over the top of this. We'll get this lined up. Watch that in. This should set perfectly flush. We're going to put the air filter on and then the cover. Make sure you snug these right up. Obviously, you don't want any dirty air getting into that engine. Give it a nice wiggle. That feels good. All right, so this just comes right down along here. You've got your spot on the manifold shield. Put it right on there.